That $30 will template you bought online, it might be the most expensive document your family ever deals with. Here are 6 mistakes that turn do-it-yourself estate plans into legal nightmares and how to avoid them. Mistake 1, thinking your will controls everything. Most people think a will covers everything they own. It doesn't. Retirement accounts, life insurance policies, joint bank accounts, these pass directly to whoever is named on the beneficiary form, not whoever is named in your will. If your IRA still lists your ex-spouse, your will cannot override it. Mistake 2, signing rules matter. A will signed alone at your kitchen table will be completely invalid. Most states require 2 disinterested witnesses, people who aren't inheriting anything, that they be present at the moment that you sign, and some states also require notarization. Online templates often bury these requirements in fine print or skip them entirely. Mistake 3, vague language equals family conflict. Quote, I leave my personal property to be divided equally among my children, unquote. Simple, right? Not when the kids disagree over whether dad's car counts, or his watch collection, or his digital photos. Courts interpret ambiguous language by legal precedent, not your intentions. Precise wording isn't just a formality, it's protection. Mistake 4, a will only speaks at death. What happens if you're alive but unable to manage your own affairs? Without a durable power of attorney and a healthcare proxy, your family may have to go to court just to pay your bills and make medical decisions on your behalf. That process is expensive, public, and completely avoidable with these 2 extra documents. Mistake 5, life changes, your plan should too. Got married? Divorced? Have a grandchild? Moved to a new state? Any of these can make an existing plan outdated or actively harmful. That will you wrote after your first marriage might still be sitting in a filing cabinet, legally valid and completely wrong. Review your plan every 3 to 5 years and after any major life changes. Mistake 6, don't forget your digital life. Crypto wallets, online brokerage accounts, cloud photo libraries. Without documented access credentials and clear instructions, these assets can be lost forever after you're gone, or become the subject of legal disputes. Most template wills aren't designed to handle any of these. Make sure that yours does. None of these mistakes require unusual circumstances to happen. They happen to careful, thoughtful people every day. Your estate plan is one of the most consequential documents you'll ever create. Even one conversation with an estate attorney can catch the errors that matter most.